Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Camry SX sedan, stock reference number 5132. This shape runs from the 9th month 2017 through to the 1st month 2021. It has a 2AR 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AR 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear door appears to have no damage. We have the left-hand side skirt. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.